This homemade salt tonic will make you hard in 15 seconds, and you will have the best performance in bed with your wife. Now pay attention, go to the kitchen, grab a pinch of salt, and try this 15-second trick discovered by scientists. What is the salt trick for men? It increased blood flow by 7 times in 100,000 men. Forget pills and pumps that only cause embarrassment. This purple tonic is natural, discreet, and helps men be ready whenever they need to be rock solid. How to do the salt trick for men. All you need to do is use this 15-second trick and watch the magic happen. Copy the link in the comments, paste it into Google, and see how to do it today. Salt trick for men. Step-by-step movie stars have been using this trick for years. That's why they are always ready for 2, 3, even 4 rounds. Well, if you want to know more about it, remember that the salt trick is hard to get right. That's why they created a much simpler solution, Nitrox Pro. Don't forget to click the first link in the description while this video is still available. Stock is running low, so act fast.